Hello techies, we are in lab 5.11.11 and we are going to secure access to switch 2. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the security on the switch in the networking closet by creating an access control list. You have been asked to prevent video game console from connecting to the switch. So in this lab, your task is to create a Mac-based ACL game console. Configure the game console Mac-based access control entry ACE settings as follow. So we're going to follow the details in the table to complete this lab. And let's see what else we have. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start lab right away. And in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you'll be able to get this lab right. So let's start up. So we click create Mac-based ACL and we click on add, then ACL name. For the ACL name, let's see what we have here. So remember, we're going to follow the details given to us. So it's going to be game consoles. So we copy this and just paste it here. Right, so when you're done, you click apply and close. So we go to Mac-based ACE and we click on add. So priority, for the priority is going to be, let's see, we deny this. Priority is going to be 1, then we deny this, and then we'll go over here and click user defined. And for the source MAC address, let's see what is given to us at the source MAC address. So we just copy this and paste it in here. And the mask, we copy this also and we'll paste it in here. Click on apply, close. Click on add and then priority. Priority is going to be 2, then we deny this. Here we choose user defined, and for the source MAC address, we're going to copy this, copy and paste. And for the source MAC address mask, we copy this and we'll paste here also. So let's scroll down and see what else we have. So we click on apply and close. So we'll go to add, and then here we're going to change this to 3. Priority is going to be 3, and for this we are going to deny, and this is going to be user defined. So let's copy the MAC. We copy this and paste this here also. Click on apply and click on close. Then we click on add. So we copy this and the priority here is going to be 4. We're going to deny this, and this is going to be user defined, and we're going to paste this in here. So we copy here also. And we'll paste this here also. So click apply and we scroll, let's see, and click on close. We click on add. So this priority is going to be 5. And we are going to deny this. And this is going to be user defined. So we copy the MAC and the mask also. So we copy the MAC address and the mask address also. So we scroll down, we click on apply, then click on close. Okay, so we still click on add, and this is going to be for number 6, and we're going to deny this, and this is going to be user defined. So let's scroll this down so that we see what you're working with. Okay, all right, so this is the last one. Let's copy this. And fix this here. So we click on apply and we click on close. So let's go to ACL binding port. So we click this and select one. Scroll down, go to edit, select Mac base ACL and apply. Click on close. Copy settings. So we're going to apply it to we did for 1, so we're going to apply 2 to 30. So let's just apply the setting. So that is done. So go ahead and click on save. Click on apply. And then we click on OK. Allow this to process. Alright, so click done. Okay, so we'll go ahead and Scholar. Now, in case you find this video to be helpful in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.